Mini Ribeiro and you're watching Chef's Delight on India Food Network. I'm here at Cafe Manji, Versova today and with me is Chef Krishna. Hi Chef Krishna.
Hello Mini, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I believe you're going to be demonstrating a signature dish for us today. What will that be?
Yes, today I will show you how to make the wood fire thin crust pizzas.
Okay, and which one, Chef?
Today we are making the pepperoni pizza.
Okay.
And that is our specialty pizzas.
Right.
Because in our restaurants we are completely using the wood fire oven.
Okay.
And for that we do require mango woods and rubber
Okay.
woods, which has a lot of aroma while we are making the pizzas and add a lot of flavor to the pizzas.
Okay, so that's the speciality of Cafe Manji, the wood-fired pizzas, and we're going to be seeing the special pizza, which is a pepperoni pizza. So keep watching India Food Network and we'll be back with the ingredients. So Chef, tell us about the ingredients we need for the pepperoni pizza.
For that we do require spicy pepperoni from Italy, then peated black olives, fresh bocconcini cheese. I prefer to use this cheese because this is goes well with the pizzas. Fresh buffalo mozzarella cheese.
I see. But what can be an option, Chef? If somebody doesn't have this cheese, what can we use?
We can use which is ready available cheese in the market. Maybe if it is in India, people like to have Amul cheese or any other processed cheese.
Mozzarella maybe?
Mozzarella, yeah, we can use the mozzarella.
As well.
And then fresh dough, which is made, which is very special at Cafe Manji.
I see.
Okay, flour for dusting, basil leaves, and smoked cherry tomato sauce.
This looks very interesting. Chef, what is this exactly?
At Cafe Manji, we are making this sauce at home, and especially these tomatoes we are roasting in the oven with lots of herbs, rock salt, crushed pepper, bay leaves, and then after that we are taking it out, make it plain, and put it on the range. In a pan, put it on the range, and then cooked for another half an hour.
I see.
With lots of garlics and herbs, that add lots of.
So it obviously has a very nice
nutritious
aromatic flavor.
Yeah, it is very aromatic and very smoky flavor. Because since it is wood fire oven, we are using this sauce, something which is special about Cafe Manji.
So would you say that this sauce really makes all the difference to the flavor of the pizza here?
Yes, it adds lots of aroma while we are cooking this in the wood fire oven.
Okay.
And with the lots of herbs, Italian, since it is Italian preparation, I'm using a lot of fresh herbs.
Okay. Another thing, Chef, tell me, if somebody doesn't want to eat red meat, people are getting health conscious, what else can be the option?
You can substitute with the smoke flavor chicken, or
Right.
if anything who is vegetarian,
Yeah, vegetarian.
he can use maybe broccoli or mushrooms,
Broccoli, mushroom. What
mushroom
about
or bell
paneer?
peppers.
What about paneer? Can paneer be used?
Yeah, paneer also can use. Just season with lots of herbs, and you can toss, and then you can put it on as a topping.
So as long as there are a lot of herbs in it, one can use paneer as well. That's a great tip. So now Chef is going to show us how to make pepperoni pizza.
For that, you will require a lot of flour.
Okay. These are obviously handcrafted pizzas, right?
Right. This is specialty of this pizza. So, normally you can use which is ready-made pizza base at the market, which is. But since
But
it
I
is
guess the effect would not be the same, really.
right.
Oh, this looks very interesting. This is an art by itself, I guess, to sort of handcraft
Handcrafted
this pizza
pizzas,
base.
yes.
It is. So one has to keep stretching it by
Stretching
hand,
it,
is it?
yes.
So only once the base is perfect, I guess it sort of bakes properly in the oven, is it?
Yes, this has to be even. As long as it is flat, it makes sense.
So it has to be completely flat in order to bake perfectly in the oven.
Right.
I see. You make it look really simple, Chef.
Yeah, this is similar how you are making roti or chapati at home.
Exactly,
But
but-
this is handcrafted pizzas we normally make here at Cafe Manji.
So it has to be a perfect round, I guess,
Yeah,
but at least well stretched.
well stretched.
Only then would it bake properly, is it?
Yes, it has to be even,
Okay.
and it should be flat enough so that when it goes to the oven, this has to be cooked properly at same time at all places.
Uniform temperature.
Uniform
Okay,
temperature.
Okay. And chef, this kind of a pizza, this is from which part of Italy is this pizza from?
This is from Napoli, since I am using the spicy Napoli salami. But there are
typical of this region.
typical from this region. But you can, you know, in Italy there are different regions. There is Toscano pizza, Milano pizzas.
That's right.
So today, I mean, the pepperoni is special about the
From this region.
So
Napoli.
this is Napoli, spicy Napoli topping, which I am using for this pizzas.
Oh, that looks like a nice perfect round.
So homemade, fresh made tomato sauce, smoked tomato sauce. You have to spray it
Evenly on
evenly
both
on
sides.
the pizza. You can add different sauce also if you want. You can twist with the sauce. If you want, you can add pesto sauce in this or any other different sauce. Maybe if since we are Indian, we can have, you know, a curry sauce also on top of this.
Okay.
So you
but
can-
a pesto sauce would again be very, very Italian, so that would be nice, I think.
Yeah.
Which pesto would you recommend? A sun-dried tomato or a basil?
Basil pesto.
Basil pesto. Okay. What goes next? Olives.
Olives, peated olives, black olives.
It looks very nice to contrast the red of the sauce and the olives. They look really nice. It's a nice combination as well.
Then pepperoni.
Okay, pepperoni. This is a pepperoni pizza, so lots of pepperoni.
You have to slice it before, because when it goes to the oven, it has to be baked properly. And this is actually ready to eat cold cut, but
I see that it's been very, very finely sliced.
Finely sliced.
Actually.
now it depends on you how much you want. You can cut down the quantity.
If you love lots of red meat, go for it. Else, reduce the quantity of pepper.
Now the fresh bocconcini, which is very special about these pizzas.
So the cheese just needs to be scattered
Scatter.
over the topping. Okay. Even if you're using other cheese, chef, like we said, mozzarella or any other cheese, one can sort of reduce the quantity accordingly, isn't it? Or
Yes, I
if
mean
you want
it's
it very
totally
cheesy, then
yeah.
too much of cheese.
Since it is pizza, you know, lots of people, they want to use lots of cheese.
Yes,
on
yes, a
top
pizza
of it.
without cheese is no pizza at all.
Yeah.
So the
Fresh
last
basil
is the
leaves.
Basil leaves, okay.
Yeah.
Do they really enhance the flavor or is it only for visual appeal?
No, it enhances the flavor because basil has special flavor in it.
Yes.
This is very special herbs which we use in lots of Italian preparations.
Absolutely. Interestingly, basil is sort of something which is of Indian origin as well. We
Yes.
Indians have a lot of basil available,
Yeah,
you know.
it's basil
Tulsi.
is tulsi.
Tulsi.
So now
smells
pizza
very
is
nice.
ready. We have to leave this pizza and put in the wood fire oven. About the wood fire oven has a 400 to 600 degrees Celsius
I see.
temperature inside.
Okay.
So within 10 minutes of time or 8 to 10 minutes of time, the pizza will be ready. And
Chef,
it is
what if somebody doesn't have a wood-fired oven at home? Most of us don't. So what can be the option?
their second option could be OTG oven.
That's
You
right.
can cook your pizza in around about 200 degrees Celsius temperature. If you don't have that, we have one more option, that's tawa. How you
Tawa?
yeah.
How would you do it on a
Because this is very thin crust base, equivalent to your roti.
tawa? That's right.
So when you are making this, just cover with one lid, and then you can cook it on tawa.
Oh, so
Very
we just need
comfortable.
to place it on a tawa and actually cover it with another lid.
Yes, and then
And
your
we
pizza
get-
will be ready. It takes some time, but yes, your pizza will get ready.
That's a phenomenal tip, I think.
Then the third option could be, you must be having your idli steamer at home.
That's right.
Then you put some sand on bottom and then bricks, and then put something on top of it, and you can place your pizza. It will start, you know, cooking that pizza in that.
That has the same
particular-
effect again?
Yes.
Oh, so
You
these
have to
are
cover with the
great
lid.
options.
That is very important.
Okay, so covering with the lid is something we need to remember. We could be using other options other than a wood-fired oven as well. Okay, great. So this is ready, and what next? Just putting it in the oven, as you said.
We have to leave this pizza and put it in the wood fire oven.
So what are we waiting for? Let's put it in the wood-fired oven and be ready for the pizza.
So your pizza is ready.
Oh, the pepperoni pizza is ready and it looks amazing. The cherry tomato sauce, the basil, the olives and the white cheese. That looks really delicious. I'm going to try this out and you keep watching India Food Network.